Hi everyone. So my husband just bought a DualLiner bed liner for the back of our truck. He uses it to carry wood stuff. He does woodworking as a hobby, and so the back of our truck, the bed has been getting scratched up. So he bought this to hopefully to remedy that situation. So he ordered it online. It came in yesterday. As a matter of fact, we didn't get home till late, and it was already dark out, but he went ahead and installed it. It literally took him like, what was it, like 10 minutes?
I think so.
Yeah, like 10 minutes to install the bed liner. He said it was quick and easy, just popped right in, and it looks fabulous. So hang on one moment and we'll take a look at it. There's the bed liner. Okay, it looks really good. It just pops in. All this looks really good. DualLiner.